X just made bots first-class citizens inside its end-to-end encrypted DMs. There's now a whole new kind of X account. No password, no login screen, just a bearer token that lives entirely in xchat, where messages are encrypted on your device and X itself cannot read a single word. And to prove it's real, X's developer team shipped an official Grok-powered agent skeleton you can fork today. Here's how the whole system works and how to put your own agent inside it. xchat is X's end-to-end encrypted messaging layer, and until now, it was strictly humans only. That changed with the Chat API. Developers can now send and receive encrypted, cryptographically signed DMs programmatically, and for a limited time, it's free on pay-per-use, up to 500 messages a day. Here on Prism Labs, we've watched agents land in terminals, browsers, and workspaces. This is agents landing in private messaging. Stick around for the back half, because the official Grok agent skeleton X's team updated again just hours ago is the fastest path from zero to a working encrypted agent. Start with the security model, because it shapes everything else. The docs put it bluntly. Message bodies are encrypted on the client, and X routes ciphertext it cannot read. Messages are also signed, so recipients can verify exactly who sent them. In practice, your bot encrypts and signs every reply on your own server before it ever touches X's network, and decrypts incoming messages locally. X is just the courier. If you've built on the Signal protocol or Matrix, this posture will feel familiar, but it's a first for a mainstream social platform's bot API. The stack has 3 moving parts. The Chat XDK does the hard cryptography: key generation, encryption, decryption, signing, and verification, and it ships in 6 languages: Python, JavaScript, Rust, Go, C#, and Java. The X API manages public keys, conversation keys, and the messages themselves, and event delivery comes through webhooks or the activity stream for live traffic, with an Events API for history. Encrypted media attachments and group conversations are covered too. You never hand-roll the crypto. The XDK owns it end-to-end, which is exactly where you want that responsibility to live. Here are the numbers that matter. The XDK covers 6 languages, so your existing backend almost certainly already speaks one of them. The bot management surface is just 6 endpoints: create, list, update, rotate, revoke, delete. Small enough to learn in an afternoon. And while the Chat API is in its limited time free window, every project gets up to 500 messages a day on pay-per-use before any bill appears. For a support bot or a personal agent, that's a real production budget, not a demo allowance. Now the strange part. What a bot actually is. It's a real X account with a user ID, an @handle up to 15 characters, and a display name. But it has no password and no way to log in. It authenticates only through a bearer token in the XCBot format, and that token is returned exactly once at mint time. Lose it and you rotate, because it can never be retrieved again. Each bot has 1 active token. Every bot profile shows an automated by label crediting your app, and deleting the token acts as a clean OAuth 2 kill switch that leaves the account intact. Managing bots is refreshingly boring. Authenticate with your app's bearer token. No user context, no OAuth dance, and every call is scoped to your own project. 1 post to the bot's endpoint creates the account and hands you its token. A get lists what you have against your plan's allowance, which defaults to 1 bot per project. Even retries are safe. Repeating a create with the same handle returns the same bot with a freshly minted token, so a lost response never leaves you guessing whether a phantom account exists. The docs themselves are worth your time, compact and unusually direct. The bots page walks the whole lifecycle in 1 table: create, list, rotate, update, revoke, delete, each with its exact request body and response shape. There's a cryptography primer, a getting started guide, a page on handling private keys safely, and even a section on building UI apps with WASM. Rate limits apply per app in 15-minute windows, and every operation stays inside your project's boundary. You cannot touch anyone else's bots, and nobody can touch yours. For a brand new API surface, the troubleshooting section is already surprisingly honest about the rough edges. Which brings us to the payoff I teased, the official starter. It comes from XDev Platform. The X developers team on GitHub, the group that maintains the platform's code samples, with 114 public repositories and around 6,000 followers. They've published 2 xchat examples, a minimal Python DM reply demo from January, and the one we care about, an agent skeleton that landed on August 19th and was updated again just hours before this video. This is X's own team showing you the intended architecture for encrypted agents. The repo is xchat-agent-skeleton, MIT licensed, pure Python, 23 stars and climbing. Out of the box, it's a Grok pass-through. Encrypted DMs in, Grok replays out, with per-user conversation history. Send it a photo and Grok Vision reads it. Type /imagine a red fox and fog, and Grok Imagine generates the image and sends it back as an encrypted chat attachment. Type /reset, and it clears your history. The crypto, the inbox, the activity stream, and the media path all work on day one. You're not wiring plumbing, you're choosing a personality. And here's the insight that makes it worth forking. The entire product surface is one file. Inbound ciphertext flows through the XDK's decrypt into handler.handle, and whatever reply you return gets encrypted and posted back to the conversation. Everything else, keys, signing, media upload, the SQLite store tracking scene events, and per-user history stays untouched. Want a travel concierge instead of a Grok pass-through? Swap the handler, change the system prompt, return a reply. The README's own advice is exactly that. Put your product in handler.py and leave the rest alone. One caveat and one choice before you build. The caveat: the conversation's endpoint only returns the primary inbox, so DMs from people who don't follow your bot sit in message requests. Set the app-only bearer token so the activity stream can discover those threads too. The choice: 2 official repos. xchat Python is the minimal January demo. Login flow, pin-protected keys, a bare reply loop. xchat-agent-skeleton is the production shape starter. XDK key blobs, Grok and Imagine wired in. SQLite state, one handler to customize. Unless you're studying the protocol itself, start from the skeleton. That's xchatbots. Encrypted DMs just became a platform, and the skeleton makes joining it a weekend project. Links to the docs and both repos are below. If you ship an agent on this, tell me in the comments. I read all of them. Subscribe to Prism Labs for the next agent platform breakdown, and I'll see you in the next one.